Far away in space, there were aliens called the Galactic Gardeners. They traveled from one planet to another, making beautiful gardens and bringing different beings together. One day they heard about Earth, a small blue planet with lots of plants and animals. The Galactic Gardeners decided to visit and share their gardening tips with humans. The aliens looked unique, with glowing petals for skin and colorful tendrils. They were led by Zara Blossomheart, a wise and kind leader. As their spaceship landed, people all around the world were amazed by its shiny silver hull. Zara and her friends came down to a green meadow where humans from different places were waiting. Everyone was excited to learn about outer space gardening. Zara shared a special seed from their home planet, Celestia Prime. With gentle guidance, she showed how to plant it in Earth's soil. The seed grew into a fascinating plant, lighting up the area with its soft glow. In return, humans shared their gardening tricks, from Japanese bonsai trees to English rose gardens. The exchange of ideas created a beautiful mix of plants from around the world. As days passed, the Galactic Gardeners and humans became friends. They explored Earth's gardens together, sharing stories and learning from each other. The aliens told tales of their space adventures, and humans shared their history and culture. A strong friendship grew between the two species. When it was time for the Galactic Gardeners to leave, they left behind a special flower as a gift. It symbolized the lasting friendship between Earth and Celestia Prime. As the aliens went back into space, they took with them memories of Earth's beautiful landscapes. Inspired by their new friends, humans continued to grow gardens that showed not only the beauty of Earth, but also the harmony and friendship that went beyond the borders of their home planet.